Are you ready?
To see what's inside the Spring 2019 Live the Adventure Club gearbox.
But first, hey explorers, it's David Webb from the Live the Adventure Club. I've been hanging out in Golden, British Columbia for the past couple days. I've been skiing at one of the best resorts in the province. I've been fat biking on a frozen lake, and I've done an amazing winter hike to a frozen waterfall in a national park. I've been here for less than 48 hours. We love it here in Golden so much. So after you open up your gearbox, come on out to Golden, British Columbia, and hey, live the adventure.
The first thing you'll find in your box, LED tent pegs. Ooh, a foldable solar lantern. Purica Sensations mushroom cacao mix. An OG trucker hat.
I'm stealing that. Up next, a camping French press mug. And this picnic kit from AVVENTURA Outdoors. An organic waffle from Honey Stinger. A solar camp shower.
I've always wanted one.
And of course, the Spring 2019 issue of Explore magazine. You'll also find an itemized list with gear descriptions and the 2019 challenges. Complete these for a chance to win amazing prizes.
Don't miss out. Subscribe today and we'll send you the Spring 2019 gearbox while supplies last.